Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Wednesday, July 2nd. Here are today's top headlines. Enphase Energy has begun shipping its new IQ EV charger in Australia and New Zealand, a smart and durable charger designed to work with Enphase solar and battery systems, or as a standalone unit. With advanced energy management, broad EV compatibility, and flexible installation features, the charger supports efficient solar-powered EV charging while simplifying logistics and reducing installation time and costs. Planet Labs has secured multiple major contracts for its AI-enabled satellite data solutions with US, European, and NATO defense and intelligence agencies, including a $283 million German-funded deal and expanded agreements with the US Navy. These wins underscore growing global demand for Planet's wide area monitoring capabilities in modern national security operations. EOSE Energy has received a $22 million loan advance from the U.S. Department of Energy, completing the first $90 million tranche to support the completion of its advanced manufacturing line under Project Enphase. The funding will help EOSE scale production of its zinc-based battery systems to meet rising demand from data centers, energy storage markets, and customers seeking American-made solutions. Redwire has successfully completed the first deployment test of its high-powered rollout solar arrays for the Lunar Gateway's power and propulsion element, which will generate a record 60 kilowatts of power. These advanced solar arrays will support deep space exploration, national security missions, and long-term lunar operations by enabling sustained research, astronaut safety, and potential resource utilization.
Thanks for watching Green Stock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Green Stock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.